Searching for the best peephole door camera feels like staring through a foggy lens, literally. Every product looks the same, makes the same promises, and uses identical stock photos. But the real difference between what's actually useful and what's just shiny plastic, that's buried deep in the details most sellers won't show you. Product number 1: KIMILAR Anti-Theft Doorbell Mount. This isn't a camera, it's a clever add-on if you already own a Ring or Blink doorbell. The KIMILAR mount costs just $20.51 and solves a sneaky problem: thieves yanking off wireless doorbells in seconds. If you want to keep your existing smart doorbell secure without replacing your whole setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a locked bracket design that requires tools to remove, so grab-and-go theft becomes nearly impossible. It fits doors between 0.6 and 2.3 inches thick and works with multiple Ring and Blink models, even the latest 2024 Battery Doorbell Plus. Over 10,000 people bought it last month, which says something about how common doorbell theft really is. Here's the thing though, if you already invested in a Ring or Blink system, buying a whole new camera just for anti-theft is overkill. This lets you upgrade security without wasting money. The only real downside, it won't work on reinforced security doors, so check your door type first. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or high-traffic area and already use a compatible wireless doorbell. Skip this one if you don't own a Ring or Blink, or if your door is made of solid steel. For the price, it's a smart, targeted upgrade that adds real protection where it counts. Product number 2, TOGU 220 degrees solid brass peephole. Now, if the KIMILAR mount felt too niche, this TOGU peephole is a classic upgrade for anyone still using a basic door eye. At $10.89, it's not a camera, but it gives you insane visibility with a 220-degree field of view, thanks to 4 layers of HD optical glass. If you want maximum awareness without electronics, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most standard peepholes only show a narrow slice of your hallway. This one lets you see from ceiling to floor, so you can spot someone crouching or hiding beside the door, something criminals often do. The solid brass build resists rust and drilling, and the included 16 drill bit means even beginners can install it in under 30 minutes. It's also got a privacy cover so no one can spy inside. Now, some people complained about fogging in humid climates. Here's the thing though, the multi-layer glass actually reduces fog compared to cheap plastic lenses, and unless you're in a rainforest, it's barely noticeable. The real flaw? No night vision, so if your hallway is pitch black, you won't see much. But for daylight and well-lit areas, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want ultra-wide visibility, hate electronics, and live in a moderate climate. Skip this one if your entryway is always dark or you need motion alerts. For under $12, it's one of the simplest ways to boost home security. Product number 3, HOJLKLD 200 degrees brass peephole with cover. Alright, that was a solid mechanical option. But the HOJLKLD peephole takes it a step further with a smoother privacy cover and tighter build quality. Priced at $11.53, it offers a 200-degree view, slightly less than TOGU, but still massive compared to standard peepholes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360-degree rotating cover snaps shut quietly and stays put, unlike flimsy sliding covers that jam or fall off. The solid brass body feels premium and won't corrode, even near coastal areas. It fits doors from 1.5 to 2.375 inches thick and comes with a matching drill bit, so installation is straightforward, even if you've never drilled into a door before. Now, some buyers said the lens scratches easily if you clean it with paper towels. Here's the thing though, just use a microfiber cloth like you would for glasses, problem solved. The bigger issue, like the TOGU, it has no digital features. You get clarity and coverage, but no recordings, no alerts, nothing smart. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, no-fuss peephole with excellent privacy and don't need tech features. Skip this one if you want to record visitors or check footage remotely. For the price, it's a quiet upgrade that delivers exactly what it promises. Product number 4, Sonu Digital Door Eye with 3.5 screen. Now we're switching gears. This Sonu model is the first true digital peephole camera on the list. At $80.80, it replaces your old peephole with a 3.5-inch LCD screen and 120-degree camera. If you want to see visitors clearly without opening the door and actually record who comes by, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The HD color sensor shows sharp images even in low light, and the indoor screen means you don't need to squint through a tiny lens. It runs on 4 AAA batteries not included, so no wiring or outlets needed. Installation takes about 3 minutes. Just swap out your old peephole. Over 100 units sold last month, mostly to seniors and parents who want peace of mind. Now some users reported the screen flickers after a few months. Here's the thing though, that usually happens when batteries run low. The low power alert helps, but you still need to replace them regularly. Also, it lacks night vision, so total darkness is still a blind spot. This is perfect for you if you want a simple digital upgrade, hate apps, and prefer a screen over your phone. Skip this one if you need cloud storage or motion alerts. It's pricey for what it is, but for non-tech users, it's a game changer. Product number 5. HCAM 3.5 Digital Doorbell Camera. Finally, the HCAM model offers similar specs to the Sonu 3, 5-inch screen, 120-degree view, battery-powered, but at $69.25 it's slightly cheaper. If you want digital clarity without overspending, this is worth a serious look. It fits door thicknesses from 35 to 100, so it works on most standard doors. Just like the Sonu, it's great for seniors or anyone who wants to see clearly before answering. Now, some buyers said the image gets grainy at night unless there's ambient light. Here's the thing though, it has no IR night vision, so you'll need a porch light or hallway lamp to see anything after dark. That's a real limitation if your entryway is poorly lit. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable digital peephole and your front area is well lit. Skip this one if you need true night vision or remote access. It's a solid middle ground option, better value than the Sonu, but still limited by lighting. So which one's right for you? The KIMILAR mount if you already have a ring or blink. The TOGU or HOJLKLD if you want wide mechanical visibility. The Sonu if you want a screen and don't mind the price. And the HCAM if you want digital features on a budget, just keep a light on at night. None are perfect, but each solves a real problem. Pick based on your door, your lighting, and how much tech you actually need.